Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple AirTag and remove it from your Apple account to use it with another account. So here we go. So if you have an Apple AirTag that you no longer want to use it, you want to reset it, or if you would like to give it to somebody else to use that Apple AirTag with your account, then you will have to remove it from your account. So the resetting process or removing it from your account is the same, because once you remove it from your account, that Apple AirTag will go through the reset process by itself. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, you have to go to your iPhone and look for the Find My application, the app where usually you keep track of all of your device. That's where you check the location of your Apple AirTag as well. So just launch it, then go to the Items tab, and here you will find all of your Apple AirTags connected with your Apple account. Just tap on the name of the Apple AirTag that you would like to remove from your Apple account to perform a reset. Then on the pop-up page where you will find lots of information regarding your Apple AirTag, like the location, the option to play sound, share the information of that AirTag, the find option, etc. Just scroll down on that page, go to the bottom, and at the bottom you will find an option called remove. Just tap on it, and then a pop-up window will appear that will show you this warning message that removing this Apple AirTag will remove it from your account. It will be activated. That means it will be reset, and then another person can use it. So now all we have to do is tap on the remove button. And as you can see, this AirTag is removed from my account, and now it is available to connect it with my iCloud account again. Or if there is any other person with iPhone with another account, they will get the same message, and now they can connect this AirTag with their Apple account and use it. So this is how you can remove an Apple AirTag from your Apple account, perform a reset to use it with another Apple account. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.